Hi guys, it's Legionero. Welcome back to my channel. And today I want to do a sticker haul. I ordered some stickers over the holidays from Samantha Rose stickers as well as Sara Marie stickers. And I want to show you guys what I got. So I'll start with Samantha Rose. And I like that they send them in these, these hard envelopes. That way your stickers are not getting bent. I probably should have did this before I started the video. I will make sure I open. Well, Sara Marie's is a little easier to open. It's this sticker right here that's in the way. But I like the secure packaging. And this is my first time ordering. So let me make sure I get everything out of the envelope. And I'm gonna open this up and pull these out. So I'm gonna look at my receipt here to see what all I ordered. I ordered an hourly Erin Condren weekly. Let's see. So yeah, most of them or all of them go with the Erin Condren hourly weekly layout. Because that's what I use. I use the Erin Condren hourly for most of my planning. I also have a happy planner that I use, but talk about that in a separate video. And looks like I got a rewards card. If you collect 15 loyalty stickers to receive $10 off your next order, and I have 3. So I will make sure I put this in a safe place. So that's pretty neat. She has a rewards program. Definitely don't want to lose that. Looks like there are some freebie stickers. This is a washi tape sticker. It's super cute. Little planner pin with a bow here. And like coffee with flowers coming out of it, and it has the little eyelashes on there. That's super cute. That's definitely something you can use in your planner. So I want to make sure you all can see these. So this first one, so it looks like it is, let me see if I can put them in order. I like really neutral colors, so that's why I like to order, from different shops that do like really neutral colors. I'm not really a flower person, but I like that the colors were kind of neutral. So I ordered kit 14 looks like, and kit 20 and kit 54, or so 014, 020, and 054. So let's look at these. So with the kit 14, looks like we have, oh, this is so cute, y'all. So we got the washi here, and we got the days of the week here. You have your numbers, your checklist. Here are these called flags? I'm not sure. Again, not really. I'm kind of new to this. So, and then we have our boxes over here, and then a little plant. We got plants, we got a table and chairs and different things like that. Really cute sticker. And here we got some more washi, and got some more checklists here. We got some icon stickers here, which I think are really cute. Some build do stickers, some water stickers. I need these because I need to hydrate. And then I guess you can mark here, like if I put exercise here, I can mark whether I exercised Monday through Sunday or whatever days I exercise. So kit 14, super cute. Gotta make sure I don't lose these. The next one is kit, I guess 20020. Again, got some washi here, got the days of the week, the days, the boxes here, checklists, got these stickers here. Are these flags? Let me know. And then little cute rose sticker here. Guys, this is so cute. And then last but not least, I have kit 54054. I got some, again, washi here. I got the days of the week here. I got boxes, checklists, and then a cute little sticker here. This is super cute, guys. Yeah. So I will definitely be ordering from her some more. One, because I want my rewards. All right. So next up, and hopefully these kits will make my planning a whole lot easier, because if you watch my first plan with me, you know that I was all over the place. And I do have a ton of Happy Planner books and different things like that that I need to actually use. I don't want to waste anything. So yeah, I definitely need to be using those books as well. But I have a Happy Planner. I haven't decided what I want to do in that Happy Planner yet. I don't know if I want to make that a social media planner or what I want to do just yet with that. So let me open this up and pull them out. Make sure I got everything out of here. Take my receipt out. So I can see what all I ordered. Well, actually, I know what this is. This is, she did like an anniversary, I think it was her anniversary sale. And this is Sara Marie stickers, where she put out her mystery kits again. Usually, if you follow Sara Marie, you know she does her mystery kits, and they're only available on one particular weekend out of the month. So, but what she did, because I want to say it was because of her 3-year shop anniversary, she put out all of her mystery kits that she had made. And if you missed the mystery kit, you could order a mystery kit. So that's what I did. I had saw before I learned her channel, well, learned her process about mystery kits. She used one of the mystery kits in one of her Plan With Me videos. And I asked her, was the kit still available? Because again, I love neutral colors, and this kit is it's neutral, so absolutely love it. And she said no, they were only available for that weekend. So when she put out the sale that week and made these available, I made sure I jumped on it. So first I got these days of the week. I just wanted those. I don't know why, I just wanted to order these. So I got these. They don't match the kit. I just wanted some in my stash. And then, so this is an hourly kit because I have an hourly planner. So you got reschedule, canceled. You got some washi. You got your days of the week, the numbers across the top. You got some little circles here. You got boxes. I want to say these are flags, but somebody let me know in the comments if that's what they're called, the flag stickers. You got the list stickers, check boxes. You got some boxes here. Some more washi, more boxes. You got some script stickers here. Weekend, some more circles. Cold hands, warm heart. I need to use this kit while it's still cold outside. So you got to do, to go, to call, this week, day off, no school. Garbage day, payday, planner time, pay bills, don't forget cleaning day. And here you got some icon stickers. You got some ombre check boxes. You got some more check boxes here, some more boxes. I like these little things that look like sticky notes. I love those. And you got some to do down here. You got a heart and I was gonna say an umbrella, a balloon. All right, so you got coffee here. Looks like meals, balloons, trash day, laundry day, workout, cleaning, car, phone, grocery shopping, home, time, a scale for workout, a little planner, bills, books, TV, shoes for workout, payday, this little box that has hearts coming out of it, maybe like a surprise or a gift or something. And then you got your computer icon here. So, love this mystery kit. And I love it mostly because, again, of the neutral colors that it has. I've been following Sara Marie for a while. I actually started following her for her budgeting videos. And she would do planning and she would buy stickers from other shops, but she wanted to make some stickers that were that fit her. So she started her own sticker shop, and I think it's been 3 years, very successful. So I will link her shop and YouTube channel below. I will also link Samantha Rose, her YouTube channel and her sticker shop below as well. I just started following Samantha Rose, but I think she's been doing this for many years. So yeah, that's my sticker haul that I got. I will also link the kits that I got from the sticker shop. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.